Hi YouTubers and welcome to the Marty K from LA YouTube channel. This video is rather short but gives you an idea of how I cleaned my golf cart. This portion is the after cleaning clip and photos. When cleaning your golf cart, I suggest you clean it out of the sun in shady spot. Gloves are also recommended, as is protective eyewear. I also suggest you check with the manufacturer of your golf cart for their cleaning recommendations. Also, make sure that you are cleaning your golf cart when it is dry and cool to the touch and follow all product recommendations. The first step and the most needed step for my golf cart was to remove the dust. I used the California car duster. The California car duster did a good job of cleaning off the dust that had accumulated. I have attached the Amazon Associate Affiliate product links in the description of this video. Moving on. I was very surprised of how much dust accumulated on the cart, even though it has been kept in a garage. I was afraid to use a garden hose and spray the cart with water since I did not want to take any chances with the electronics, the battery and the switches that were on the cart. Instead of using water, I used a product that was a waterless wash and wax spray from Meguiar's. This Meguiar spray was advertised to be waterless and scratch-free. I used a clean cloth to clean the cart, turning the cloth over to wipe dry. I didn't use much of the spray and the result came out pretty good. Even though I probably didn't need to wax the cart, I decided that the first two steps didn't take very long. I might as well spend some time and give the cart a Carnauba wax coating. The product I used was the Meguiar's Carnauba Paste Wax. I used the supplied applicator sponge to apply the wax and a clean dry towel to clean off the residue after letting the wax coating dry. This part took the most time as I wanted to make sure that I was careful and only waxed the parts of the cart that I wanted to. I used an Armor All Tire Cleaner to give a nice shine to my cart's tires. A word of advice: when you are using a spray for your tires, you may also use scrap cardboard to avoid any overspray. The last part was cleaning and conditioning the seats. My seats were not very dirty and I only needed to use a damp cloth to clean them. I used a product from Meguiar's to condition and protect my seats. Be careful when you use this spray to avoid any overspray onto anything that you have already cleaned and waxed. In the video you can see that I used some cardboard scrap to protect from overspray. Hopefully you found the video useful. Thanks for viewing my video and like and subscribe.